Hi, Mundo Dark Matter, and welcome to Dark Matters. Today on Dark Matters I'm going to talk about strap locks. And the purpose of a strap lock is to lock your guitar strap on to your guitar without it accidentally coming loose. And it also is a quicker, easier way to put your strap on and take it off. These right here are Schaller type strap locks. I believe they were the ones who designed them. People call them Schaller types. But this particular one is a Fender, which are supposed to be made by Schaller. You can also get Grover strap locks, which are the same design as this. So this is a design that's made by a few companies. Right here is a Fender, as I said, and here's the Fender button that goes on your guitar. There's actually a ridge in here that slides in, but what really locks it into place is there's this hole right here, and it snaps into that, and that's what locks it into place. If you pull on this knob here, that's how you get it to come off. Now this strap button right here is a Grover strap button, and I got it just to test it. It fits in there just the same, and it looks, to me, it looks exactly the same as the Fender. Exactly the same size, it looks like, and exactly the same shape, so you can't even tell the two apart. So I just wanted to bring this up so that you know that those three types of strap locks, which are really the same strap lock, are interchangeable. Because the thing is you're going to have to put this button onto your guitar for the strap lock to work. Now the nice thing about the design of this button is that you can also still use it with a regular strap, because it will allow a regular strap to go around it, and there's a lip on it so that it would still hold the strap on pretty much just as well as a standard strap button. Now an alternative to this are these straps right here. This is a Planet Waves locking strap, and there's a mechanism here that kind of ratchets closed, and if you press this button you can ratchet open again. Let me do it one more time. So you can open and close this. And that's a nice alternative. They work pretty well, but I decided I'm going to try the Schaller strap locks, or the Fender ones at least. Now the thing about these strap locks, of course, is you have to alter just the standard strap. See, this is a standard strap here, and I've already put one of the strap ends on it. They're pretty easy to install, but you want to use a wrench to tighten them so that they don't come loose. Finger tightening them is not good enough. So to put them on, you just push them through. This particular strap, the hole is a little smaller than the bolt that has to go through it. But I am able to get it down around it, although you can trim it if you really needed to. Then I'm going to put that nut right on there with my fingers initially, and then I'm going to use a wrench to tighten it down more. I'm going to align them pointing down. Shouldn't make that much difference how they're aligned, but I think that will make it a little easier to use. Alright, so there are the strap locks on the strap, and so now all I have to do is put these strap buttons on a guitar, and then I'll be able to try it out. Now, one thing about these strap buttons right here, I found that the Fender version of these locks are a little cheaper than the other two manufacturers, and they're just as good a quality as the other two. You can get these actually cheaper off of eBay from China, but apparently they're not as good a quality. I have not tried any from China, so I don't know about those, but they're basically copies or clones of these. The Fenders actually come with these little felt pads here to protect the guitar, which is a nice little feature. You can buy these things separately. The Fender ones come with black, and they also come with white ones. So you can match the felt pad to whatever you feel matches the body color of your guitar best or looks best. Like if you have a black body, you may want to use a black felt, or a dark body. If you have a lighter body, you may want to use the white felt. I'm Mundo Dark Matter, and this has been Dark Matters. Be seeing you.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.